Okay, so here's our coding page, if you like, and we have quite a lot of information there, which can get overwhelming, and it all links to all over the place as well. So what I've done is I've actually made a new little page called coding, and if you click this one, you get back to coding. This one here is coding links. So what I've done is I've taken out all the video and bits and pieces and just given you the links that you need. And of course down the bottom, coding for more details, you're back to here with the videos and bits and bobs. So they go back and forth. So here we have our dance party code. So that was with all the little videos and stuff, which is super cool. Wait for it to load. And you can see you have the video and then you have step by step. Same with Minecraft and AI for Oceans. Now we've got Scratch. Now these two links are back to my website, which I've made little videos about Scratch. That was me learning, and it really depends what kind of learning you like, seeing someone else do it or whether you want to learn from the other tutorials. So that says Scratch. Now we also have more Scratch. We can navigate that way. Or if we go back to our coding, oh, where is coding? Our coding's back, not home. There we go, PYP. We've got coding and coding links. That's where they're stored. So if we go back to our coding and click there, we're at coding links, round and round in circles, right? That was the Scratch and more Scratch. So with more Scratch, I was building up stuff of like, what would you use the coding for? For example, you might use the broadcast of events to sequence a story. Now we can go back to here. I've also put a new link here for tutorials in Scratch. It works very much like the ones that you did in the Hour of Code, the dance party. For example, animate your name. You've got little videos and steps through. So they're super cool, getting better all the time. And then here we have Python. And it's an hour of code using Trinket. So again, you actually have step-by-step instructions. So it's really a matter of knowing where to find all this stuff. Okay. Absolutely good to go for you to be teaching yourself once you know where to find it. Okay. A little bit of extra for experts. This link here, codeclub.nz, is actually hidden on the Python page. And we see we've got Scratch, we've got Python, but we've also got HTML and CSS. So we actually have modules there. So if we click on the module, it might give you ideas of what to do. So it's really just a matter of knowing what to look for, I guess, in a way.